morning, guys, and welcome to a new vlog. We made it to Medellin, and we're gonna go on a free walking tour of Comuna 13. So it's a free walking tour. It's gonna go on for 2.5 hours, I think. So we're at San Javier station right now, and we're soon gonna leave to go on the tour.
To me, my name is Laura. Welcome to Comuna 13. But first,
as mentioned, this was a free walking tour that we did in Medellin, and our guide Laura was amazing. She grew up in Comuna 13 and she lived there her whole life. She told us all the stories about how this community ended up as it did. This district was considered one of the most dangerous neighborhoods in the 80s and 90s and were run by violent drug trafficking. In 2002, a raid led by the government took place to clear out the guerrillas, gangs and paramilitaries that then had full control over the area. Since then, the government had implemented a number of social and infrastructure projects that has transformed the district into a thriving community. And now, with the help from the state, this community is a thriving neighborhood with a lot of music, a lot of art, a lot of freedom, empowerment. So there's a lot of graffiti everywhere. And the transformation is unbelievable. Walking around there, I couldn't understand how it used to be less than 20 years ago, that this neighborhood was filled by threat, guerrillas, and this awfulness.
Okay, we ended our tour at this super beautiful place. This is the home of the guy that was taking us on this tour. So now we're gonna eat here. We just got the food. We ordered some very local Medellin food. It looks amazing. This is the place, and it is called Vista de Turísticos, I think. Super nice, super local. Okay, Alma, what do you have to say about this meal? So good.
Like one of the best.
One of the best things we've eaten.
One of the best in Colombia for sure.
Yeah.
Really good.
It was the bandeja paisa, and it's like a mix of all different kind of meats,
Beans, rice,
beans, plantain, eggs.
tortilla,
Yeah.
eggs, avocado.
The pork was so good. It was
Pork was
amazing.
good.
Yeah. Really good sausage.
Beef also.
Yeah. Only 20,000 pesos. So cheap as well.
And included
Sugarcane juice.
sugarcane juice.
Okay, we just made it down from this is Colombia for you. From Comuna 13, and now we're actually gonna go to a soccer game. So it's Medellin against some other team. I don't remember. Baracaya or something. So we're waiting for our Uber, and then we're gonna go
Meet some friends.
Yeah.
And have some beers.
Yeah, and then go to
Soccer game.
Fun. It's gonna be an experience, I think. Yeah. Because people here are crazy, and soccer is probably gonna be even more crazy. Mango!
Cuáles son conocidas realitas. Ese es un ralito. Con el fin de crear energía para Colombia.
Good morning! Today I cannot see because it's so bright, but we're in Guatape, which is a town and a big rock that you climb, and the views are supposed to be amazing. So we are here by the rock. So big. Hanna is here and it's time to climb this.
It's a very big rock.
Yeah, it's
Bigger
like
than I thought.
it's 700 steps, I think.
Yes,
To go there.
780.
And they say it's gonna take maybe 20 to 30 minutes. I don't know. But it's so big, and yeah, we're gonna go right now. Me and Hanna are like fully dressed for hiking, and other people are like walking in like long dresses and really being really pretty. And we're like, you want to be comfortable hiking clothes. Yeah, I think it's better. People are crazy. Okay, we got the ticket. Here we go. You need to walk slow, steady pace. That's the trick, I think. We're counting down. Okay, more than halfway done. We made it to the top, and the views are super nice.
It's super nice, but it's very dry. Like,
Yeah,
the lakes are kind of almost dried out.
yeah. I think
it's
we're
nice.
in the end of dry season, so
Yeah. But it was nice. It was
yeah.
not too bad.
No, it was a good walk.
Yeah.
Like when we made half, I was like, oh, it's the sea. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, it was so much faster than I thought it would. So
They had the
nice.
numbers like 50, 75, 100.
Yeah, they were counting down or counting up, so super nice. And now we're gonna see if we're gonna buy a michelada,
No.
panela, a panela maybe,
We want ice cream.
ice cream. So yeah, ice cream.
En los mismos zócalos retratados justo ahí. Ok, los zócalos de esta tradición, the most important tradition in Guatemala.
I just did some shopping. These earrings, I like them, and this blue bracelet. Yeah, those super good. I love this town. It's very nice. It's very colorful, very chill in some parts.
I'm never a part of the vlog. I'm always like,
You need to be in my height
just
to
you
be
and
in
my
the vlog.
boobs.
Yeah. Did you buy this?
this vlog cannot be posted too
No.
soon, just so you know.
Yeah, I know. I think it's no problem.
I don't think so either.
It's for her boyfriend. Now we're in a replica of an old town that used to be along the rivers here. It got destroyed, but they made a replica here just maybe 200 meters off, and super pretty. This is like the main square of the old town, and here's the church, and they actually managed to save the floor. So this is the original floor from the church that was built in the original town. But yeah, now only replica is left, but super pretty. Been shopping even more. I got a purse for 60,000. It's super cute. Okay, limonada de aguacate. Bien. What did you think?
Liquid guacamole.
Yeah, it's good. It was good. It really didn't taste much at all. So, it's like lemonade, like a juice. Time for boat.
De agua llega por este río, el otro, 30% de 28 ríos diferentes.
Pablo Escobar's old house.
One of his
One of
favorite
his-
houses.
Yeah, he had a few. One of them. What was it named after, Hanna?
His daughter, Manuela, I think.
Fila del butel y las canciones, como me dicen ustedes, ¡viva México! Y tan especial, quisiera salsa Lizano y tomarme una imperial. Improvisaré en inglés, voy a mirar que me invento, algo loco sacaré, a ver un tren en Colombia, and welcome to Guatape.
Oh my god, guys, look at this church. It's so funny. This is the church that they made in, what do you say? They got inspired by the rock. So this is the church of the new rock town. So funny.
Hello, we are back at the hostel. We came back at like 6 in the evening. So this was like almost a 12-hour day. We went, 10-hour day. We went at 8 and we came back at 6. And we paid 99,000 Colombian pesos for this tour. We did it with Maxi Tours and I would highly recommend it. We saw a lot. We did a lot of things, breakfast included, lunch included, ticket to Guatape not included, but transportation, we went on the boat trip was included, and yeah, like everything except for the entrance to the rock, walking on the rock, which was 25,000. So all in all, we spent 99 plus 25,000 today, so pretty good. We had a super nice day. Now I think we're just gonna have dinner and then chill. We will see, but thank you for coming along today. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.